Hey guys, thank you for checking out this video. This video is not meant to be a formal tutorial. I am not professional. I learned everything by myself, so this is just my personal interpretation of the construction of this bag and how I made it happen. I will be making a material kit including all the materials, pre-cut leather, pre-punched leather, and all the other hardware that you will need to make this bag. So if you're interested in making a bag like this, please pre-order the material kit using the Etsy link in the comment section. Each material kit takes me a long time to do because I have to manually cut and pre-punch and trim every single leather piece. So the material kit can only be available for pre-order for now. The bag itself took me 40 hours in total to complete, and personally I think the handle is the most difficult part to make. If you are a beginner or you just started getting into leather crafting, I do not recommend making a bag as your first leather crafting piece. Because in order for you to make a complicated project like this, you will have to firstly understand what are the tools that are required for leather crafting, how to properly punch holes for the stitches, how to make the leather thinner, how to deal with the edges and all that, and how to use 2 needles for the stitching. There are so many different videos or tutorials on YouTube showing you different steps in leather crafting, so I highly recommend watching those first before you actually get into a more complicated project like this. I hope you can enjoy all the small video clips and the pictures that I took during the process of making this bag. I won't be talking for the rest of the video because again, this video is not meant to be a detailed tutorial showing you the basic leather crafting techniques. So I hope you can still enjoy, and the material that I use, the technique that I use, my understanding of construction, nothing is associated with Hermes. I don't know how they make their bags. Again, this is just my personal understanding of their construction. Feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. I would love to reply. Thank you.